How to get JCPenny discount coupons easily. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or your Safari. In the search bar, search for JCPenny discount coupon. Well, different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me head over to this site. It will open up this page. In this section, you can see tons of different coupons are available. In order to get one discount, you can tap on any of the coupon from here. Simply click on View Coupon. There you go, the discount coupon will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on Copy and then head over to the application JCPenny and apply this discount coupon code. You will definitely get certain amount of discount and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get JCPenny discount coupon. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.